Alright boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, you want to learn to play CE's cool song called Lie to Me. This is another song from her latest album called Music, and this one is a bit different. This song is a bit oriental and has this dreamy vibe going on. But it's really cool to learn and play. So, the chord progression, it's the same through and through: D minor, C minor and A sharp. And I prefer to play them as bar chords. And in bar chords they look like this: D minor, you put your index finger on the 5th fret, and the rest of the fingers basically look like an A minor. So imagine having an A minor like this, and just push it up here to the 5th fret with the index finger, and the rest comes like an A minor. The D minor sounds like this. The next chord, you just hold from the D minor, you move up 2 steps to the 3rd fret with your index finger, and you get the C minor. And it sounds like this. And the last chord is the A sharp, and it's easiest to play here on the 6th fret with your index finger. And the rest looks like an E chord. So from here, imagine going up here to the 6th fret with the index, and the rest like an E. And it sounds like this. These are the chords, and I played them in different way for the verse and the pre-chorus and in the chorus. So if we start with the verse, we have a grip here, and it's based on the same 3 chords. And I take the grip like this: index finger on the 5th fret, E string, your middle finger on the 6th fret, B string, and your ring finger on the 7th fret, G string. And you pluck this just together 2 times. Then from this grip you just move up 2 steps, same grip, and you pluck them 2 times. And this one is based on the C minor chord. And the last one is based on the A sharp, and you move up to the 1st fret on the E string with your index finger, and the 3rd fret on the B string, and the 3rd fret on the G string. And the grip looks like this. And you pluck this 4 times. So together, in a slower motion, it sounds like this. So that is how it's played in the verse. And when it comes to the pre-chorus, it's based on the same chords but different grips here. So you start, you can say, like an A minor, but you just move it up to the 6th fret with the index finger, and the other on the 7th fret, D string and the G string. And the way you play it is with the D string you start, and the other 2 strings answer. You do that also 2 times, so it sounds like this. And from here you just move up 2 steps, so that your index finger lands on the 4th fret here, and the rest, yeah, it's the same grip. And the same pattern, you start with the D string and you answer with the G and B string. So 2 times. And this one is based on the C minor chord. And the last grip is based on the A sharp, and it looks like an A chord here, but you just move up 1 step, so it's on the 3rd fret, and everything looks like an A chord. And the pattern is the same. You start with the D string and you answer with the G and B string, and you pluck it 4 times. So together it sounds like this. So that's the pre-chorus. Then we come to the chorus. And this one is just based on the chords we are playing. So D minor, the C minor, and the A sharp. And the pattern here, how to play it, I play it like 1 down, and then just up, down, up, down. So 1 down, a small pause, and then up, down, up, down. So in slow motion it sounds like this. So if we just play on, it will sound like this in slower motion. And notice that I'm playing the first pluck down with the bass strings up here, and the answering with the up down is on the top strings down here. So and with the chord progression it will sound like this in a slower motion. And the reason why we're using the bar chords is because we want these higher strings down here instead of the standard D minor up here. So we prefer these higher strings like this. So in standard tempo, the chorus sounds like this. So, I hope this was helpful for you. This is just my interpretation. You can play this in probably different ways, of course. But this is a guitar-friendly version of this cool song, Lie to Me. So I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe. Please leave a comment for maybe future reviews and tutorials. And as always, play tuned.